Hello, this is Teacher Wayne and I'm continuing my Unity 2018 series on my Zombie Survivor game. In the last video I had a problem with my code, and this is a short one to show you how I fixed it. So I'm going to press play now, the working code, and then I'm going to show you what I did. So here we are, we had a guy moving towards us, and what happened was before he just went idle when he got close, but now as you can see he's us attacking. And if we get behind him he won't attack us, and then we get within a certain angle he'll start attacking us. If we move away from us he walks. So I have the attack animation and everything working. So how did I fix that? Really simply, I'll just show you the code. So before I had the code where if I just basically said if the distance was greater than 2, then if I had the distance less than 50, then walking. Before I had that, and all I've done is add that. So I said if the distance is greater than 2, oh by the way, yeah, greater than 2, then and less than 50, so in other words in that sweet spot he can walk towards. If it's less than or equal to 2, because you want to include 2 as well, then it attacks. And I think two game units it looks realistic. Less than that it doesn't. More than that he starts attacking way too early, but you can tweak with that. Eventually I'm going to do it on the might connect it with a collision detection as well, and that'll be, you don't see the Unity animation when I do that, but it's better in some ways. But anyway, we'll have a look at that later. So that is the game working anyway. So this is Wayne just doing finalizing the zombie code and just fixing a bug, and thank you very much.